Alright, saving money can feel tough, but Rocket Money makes it automatic. First step, open the Rocket Money app. And right on the home screen, look for the Savings tab. Inside there, tap on Automate Savings. This is where the magic happens. Now choose the amount you want to put aside. Could be a few dollars or more if you're feeling ambitious. Then set the schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly, whatever fits your flow. Before you're done, link your bank account so Rocket Money knows where to grab the funds. And finally, hit confirm. From then on, Rocket Money quietly moves the money for you automatically. No extra steps. Your savings just grow.